we are looking at how to pronounce the name of Elon Musk and Grimes' baby daughter. So how do you say this word? We'll be looking at how to say the name of his son as well. So make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Her full name is Exa. Her middle name is Dark. And finally, her third name is Sideræl. This is normally a word spelled that way in English, but Grimes and Elon Musk decided to spell it that way, a more Alvan spelling of the word. Sideræl is how it is said. And now you know. If you want to learn more about what is the meaning of her full name, here is a video right here for you. If you want to learn more about his son's name and how to say it correctly, another video for you. And if you want to learn more about correct pronunciations of confusing names, make sure to stay tuned to the channel. Thanks for your support and thanks for watching.